Now you get to see them shot live. I love it. Thanks.
Amazing information that you share with us.
Yeah, but I hate when I mess up and I hear it like mad.
Much appreciated.
Thank you. Check out a dual gear over here. This. Oh my gosh, these are the cars. These were unbelievable. Only the really coolest cats in all the world own these. Dual gear. It was actually taken off of a Chrysler show car. Just beautiful. Skyliner. Can never forget that with the retractable hardtop. Look for the videos. Look at the Nash. Beautiful Nash. Nice middle class car. Dodge police car. The smaller caddies are coming on. That's a little no, it isn't. That's Coupe de Ville. Okay. Now this is what, I'm sorry folks, this is what I still consider a caddy. It's about a 64, 65, and this is a Fleetwood. Ford Bronco 2. Botail Riviera. This they were calming down because they had to come in with the bumper standards. Now that Chevy over there, just to give you an idea, they have a very strong and growing class for original cars, all original, and also for driven cars. So cars like that you really appreciate because this is what you would have seen in 1968, 1969, 1970, sitting on the side of the street. It really brings back the memories of what cars brought to us and what they meant to us in our lives. We've got the countdown going. All right, traffic is moving again, letting the people cross. Our crossing guard here is really cool. The Miranda over there, Mustang, of course, followed by the Fox body convertible, made by CNC. T-Birds, old and new, and that of course is a Packard. Packards here can outnumber Cadillacs. Thank you. Dodge Ram. There's a little Studebaker. Everyone said, which way is that going? And turn around here. Yep, sorry. Nice Trans Am. Mustang. Oh, isn't that a pretty Chevy 2 convertible? You'll see it here. Mercury, right after the Woody. Now that actually does have wood trim on it. But a lot of plastic in there.
Not an antique car.
That is a classic Kia.
Yeah, classic Kia. Classic Kia. Followed, of course, by a Chevy convertible.
This is not an antique car. Alright, this is our classic 2000 and something Kia.
Future collectible. Oi! She is great, folks. She is great. It's amazing handling the crowds here. Again, AACA, Hershey region puts on this show, and they do quite a job. Big Lincoln. Is that 4 or 5? 5. Model T, of course. And that's a Rickenbacker. Yay, Rickenbacker! Rickenbacker, hat in the ring car. Followed by American La France. A lot of trucks, fire trucks, and actually military. We even have some buses, which is cool because of the bus museum. Chevelle, that's for you guys drooling away. Nice original GTO. Future collectible. Nice Chevy over here. Oop, up. Sorry. Was it about 20? What year? 26. Very sweet. Very sweet. Followed by a bullet bird and convertible. They have such smooth lines.
Hey, photographer, can you stay off the roadway, please?
You got it.
Yes, no,
Yes.
thank you.
Pontiac. Get you around pre-Uber, the checker cab. Oh, 55. This is the second convertible we saw. We saw the Pontiac version before. This is Cavalier convertible. Here's the Rambler. Oh, nice. In costume, of course. Look at these guys. Perfect. Wear your hats. He's the only one with the hat. Lovely rear entrance Rambler. Continuing on here. What's that, Overland? Mercedes diesel. You can hear them a mile away. Chandler, is it? No, Overland also. Oh, Mustang. Here come the Brits. We've got the Austin Healey 3000. There's no rhyme or reason with the way how they're coming on, so don't think there is. Followed by Triumph TR4. That was designed by Mitch Lini. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Just a really elegant design. The Brits started using the Italian designers through the 60s, and the results were really quite nice. And this is interesting, Miata's coming in, because remember, it started in 1980, which is over 25 years old. Here comes a Pontiac, and if I'm not mistaken, the GTO, this is 74. Yep. They based it on, of course, the Nova. Still neat looking, it's a 1 year only. Here we go back to one of the early GTOs, about 65. They wanted to keep it alive, but they couldn't quite do it. Monte Carlo. That's beautiful. Aren't they pretty in the water? They look so nice. So nice. I missed what that was. Zephyr. Lincoln Zephyr. Thank you. And that, of course, is the Dodge Brothers. That was before it was Chrysler. Chrysler took over in 20 actually end of 28. There's a DeSoto. That's a real early one. It's got to be about 1930, somewhere around there, or could be even earlier. Could be a 28. We'll see. Yeah, Chrysler wanted a middle price, so they came out with DeSoto. Right after that, they had the opportunity to buy Dodge. And it was like the guppy swallowing the whale. But they did very well. Pontiac Grand Prix. Gotta get that Tornado. 66 Tornado. That actually was featured in Momo. Again, Model A. Fords were actually the backbone of the AACA. This is why I like Hershey. Watching fairly modern, the Mustang, followed by very early. Jordan. Jordan was a, I'm sorry, Mercer. That was a hot rod. That had a T-head. It challenged the Stutz. That was America's premier sports car back in the teens. Now, of course, as I said earlier, we have a lot of big vehicles. So we have one of the buses coming in. I'm going to pull back because in order to get the whole thing, you have to see it. You've seen videos of this on northeastwheelsevents.com before. Now, how would you like to have a collector's car like this?